How to add Google reviews to Google Sites. So first is to open and log into your Google Sites account. Then select the site that you want to add a Google review. So you can select any from these templates or you can generate your own site. But for this, I will be using this site called Microbio. So for this, we will be using a third-party website to add the Google Reviews widget. So the website that we will be using is this elfsite.com. So if you don't have an elfsite.com account, click the sign up button and create your account. But if you already have an account, then just click the login button. So once you're in this dashboard, just click this widgets option and then search for Google Reviews. So you should see this result, Google Reviews. So just click this and then you should be provided with these templates. So you can select any of these templates, but for this, I will be using this carousel widget. So this is how it would look like on the website. So just click continue with this template. So for business name, I will be using a random business name from Google, which is called Sip and Wonder Coffee House. And then you can customize these options here, which is filters and sorting. So when you click this, you can turn off this toggle button for show reviews only with text. You can change these options to any of these. Or you can also change this total number of reviews to show, which ranges from 2 to 20. So once you're done customizing, just click this add to website for free. And then click this publish button located on the top right corner. And so this will show up, so just select this free option and then copy the code. So once you've copied the code, go back to the Google Sites and then click this embed option. Then go to embed code and then paste the code here. Then click next and then click insert. So you can adjust this by using these circles and dragging them. So once you're satisfied, you can hit the publish button or you can select this view published site to know how it looks like when the site has been published. And so that is how you add Google Reviews to Google Sites. Thank you and have a great day.